Guys, welcome to another episode of Cream All Access as we take you behind the scenes with this stunning Lamborghini Aventador S. This car is coming to have full PPF coverage. Before doing so, we're going to give the car full detail to remove any imperfections and impurities in the paintwork, give it a clay bar and get the whole car covered and protected. At the same time, we're going to be refurbishing alloy wheels and also fitting our exclusive plate flipper to the front bumper. This will be a world's first for us anyway. I've not seen it done anywhere else, but using our exclusive kit, this car will be the very first Lamborghini Aventador that we've done or seen in the UK that will have remote activated front number plate flipper. Exciting times. I'm looking forward to this one, especially seeing how this one turns out, because if this one does well and works great, then I'm pretty sure that there will be many of these to follow soon. So fingers crossed, let's get on with the job. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it always, and God bless you all. See you in the next one.
As you all know what the car's already in for, it's now time for me to get the front bumper off, which includes taking out the boot, taking out all the plastic trims around, under trays, nuts and bolts, wheel arch liners and all necessary parts involved to get the bumper off. See you later.
Okay, so as you've just seen, I've just cut this little section out here and then sent apart the bumper for the plate flipper box to sink into, because you can't mount it on top, so it's got to be professionally fitted in there nicely. Incredibly intricate doing this job, not only because of the fact that it's a very high value vehicle, but because the job just has to be done professionally, neatly and cleanly, you know. First thing we're going to do is seat the box into this unit here, and because this blade is quite thin, it doesn't leave us much room, but for the measurements that I've taken, it will just be about right, and that will allow the plate to then flip out, narrowly escaping the bottom part of the bumper. And if you look, this is a small front plate anyway, but we have to go a little bit smaller because this is not for this car, obviously it's for my own. And the idea is once the plate flipper goes in there, the plate will sit there like so, and as you can see it's slightly sticking out the sides, hence why the plate's got to be a bit smaller than what I'm using here. But the idea is it will flip out and be offset on the bumper like so. We've got just about enough room here, so let's crack on and get the job done.
We now have the side skirt removed from the Aventador. We knew it had a few small issues in the paintwork, but as you can see, the lacquer is just peeling off where it hasn't been keyed up at all really. It's typical of a smart repair job, because to do this job properly you need to remove the side skirt, take the lower seals off, the grills, all the trims, the badges. Even you can see the badge was masked up around here. We've took that off, the lacquer is just peeling off with it. It's just another case of smart repair, mask everything up. To do the job properly needs to be removed off the car, stripped down thoroughly and painted properly in an oven, in a proper spray booth. So now we'll have to take the whole lacquer and all the paint what's been applied off back to the original, so we can prime it and resurface it in a proper way and flat and polish it, replace it on the car as good as factory, if not better.
Guys, what's going on? So today I'm painting the Lamborghini side skirts for the Aventador, the bonnet's behind me over there, and a couple of red mirrors in the background for Ali's Mazda. But anyway, nonetheless, I'm mucking in myself purely for the reason that I love doing this, and it just keeps me active, and so I don't get rusty really. But today I'm behind the gun, and soon, once we finish this, we'll get the car in, and I'll paint that later on. Stay tuned. Right guys, the Lamborghini Aventador is now back in the booth. As you can see behind me, it's soaking wet because it's just been washed, degreased and cleaned by the boys in preparation for its PPF installation tomorrow. Once that's complete, we can then go on and do the other parts because the car is still stripped at the moment. We can go on and do the other parts on the front end, which is the bonnet, the bumper and the side skirts, and then we can reassemble the vehicle. Once that's done, we will then bake the car at 60 degrees temperature because it's something that we like to do here to you know, give the PPF film longevity and ensure that it doesn't fail in the future. Once it's baked, we will then go on and give it a ceramic coat using G-Technique Halo, which has been specifically designed for PPF. And then once that application is completed, we will then go and bake it once again. And that will just speed up the curing process and obviously ensure that the car is completed to the highest of standards.
Okay, so I'm just finishing off the wiring for the number plate flipper LED light and putting the interior back together, and then give the number plate flipper final test and then off to the customer sheet.